Most drivers think they know their car until something small goes wrong and suddenly it costs hundreds or even thousands to fix. Here's the surprising part. Your car is already packed with hidden features designed to prevent those exact problems, but almost nobody uses them. There's a button that can protect your engine from expensive damage, a tiny detail on your dashboard that saves you from daily frustration, and one feature near the end that can literally protect your life in an emergency. The problem? These aren't explained clearly when you buy the car, so most people drive for years without ever discovering them. In the next few minutes, you'll see 15 hidden car tricks that can save you money, make driving easier, and honestly, make you feel like you've been missing out this whole time. And trust me, the last one is something you'll use every single day. Most people never realize this, but your key fob is hiding something that can save you in the worst moment. Inside it, there's a physical backup key. If your battery dies and your car won't unlock, that tiny hidden key is your lifeline. Just slide the latch, pull it out, and suddenly you can unlock your door like a traditional key. No panic, no waiting for roadside assistance, and no expensive locksmith bill in the middle of nowhere. Now here's something you've probably seen 100 times, but never actually noticed. Next to your fuel icon on the dashboard, there's a small arrow. That arrow tells you exactly which side your fuel cap is on. It sounds minor, but it saves you from pulling up to the wrong side at the gas station, reversing awkwardly and wasting time. Once you see it, you'll never unsee it. And then there's the sun visor, which seems basic, until you realize it has a hidden extension. When sunlight hits you from the side, flipping the visor down isn't enough. But many cars have a pull-out extension that slides out to block that exact angle. It takes seconds to use, but it can completely eliminate glare, reduce eye strain, and make driving much safer. These features aren't complicated, they're just overlooked. But once you start noticing them, you'll realize your car has been quietly solving problems this whole time, every single day, without you even noticing. There's a button in your car that most people use without understanding, and that's costing them money over time. It's the air recirculation button. When you turn this on, your car stops pulling hot air from outside and starts reusing the cooler air inside. That means your AC works faster, your cabin cools quicker, and your system doesn't have to work as hard. Less strain means fewer repairs and better fuel efficiency, especially in extreme heat. Now let's talk about something that affects you every single time you drive, but most people never adjust properly. Your steering wheel position. Underneath it, there's a small lever that lets you move the wheel up, down, closer, or farther away. When it's set correctly, you get better control, better posture, and even better visibility of your dashboard. But here's the hidden benefit. Proper positioning reduces fatigue on long drives, which means fewer mistakes and safer driving overall. And then there's a feature that feels almost too good to be true in hot weather. On many cars, if you press and hold the unlock button on your key fob, all the windows roll down automatically. This lets all that trapped hot air escape before you even step inside. Instead of walking into an oven, your car is already cooling down, which means less AC usage and less strain on the system right from the start. Here's where small mistakes start turning into expensive problems. When you're at the gas station, most people just let the fuel cap hang or place it somewhere random. But inside your fuel door, there's usually a small holder designed specifically for that cap. Ignoring it might seem harmless, but dirt and debris can easily get onto the cap and into your fuel system. Over time, that can clog injectors, damage your fuel pump, and lead to repairs that cost thousands. All from skipping a step that takes 2 seconds. Now, let's talk about a button that people either ignore completely or use at the wrong time: traction control. It's designed to stop your wheels from spinning on slippery roads by reducing power. That's great in rain or on highways. But here's the mistake. When you're stuck in mud or deep sand, that same system can prevent you from getting out. It cuts power right when you need it most. Now, turning it off temporarily can be the difference between driving away or calling for help. And then there's a situation nobody plans for. Your battery dies and suddenly your car won't shift out of park. Most drivers assume they're completely stuck, but near your gear shifter, there's a hidden shift lock override. Pop open the small cover, press the release, and you can move the car manually, even with zero power. That means you can push it out of traffic instead of being stranded in a dangerous spot. These aren't just cool features. They're the difference between a quick fix and a very expensive problem. There's a small switch on your rearview mirror that most people either ignore or don't even understand, that tiny tab underneath the mirror. It's an anti-glare feature. At night, when headlights from cars behind you start blinding your eyes, a quick flip of that tab changes the angle of the mirror. The light gets redirected, reducing glare instantly while still letting you see the road behind you. It's simple, but it can prevent eye strain, distraction, and even accidents during night driving. Now here's something your car might already be warning you about, without you realizing it. That little snowflake icon on your dashboard isn't just decoration. It activates when temperatures drop near freezing, alerting you that the road could be icy. And here's the dangerous part. Black ice is nearly invisible. This warning gives you a chance to slow down before things get risky. Most people ignore it, but it's essentially your car predicting hazardous conditions before you feel them. And then there's one feature that could literally save a life in a worst-case scenario. Inside your trunk, there's a glow-in-the-dark emergency release handle. If someone gets trapped inside, whether it's a child, an accident, or something unexpected, that handle allows them to open the trunk from the inside instantly. It stays visible even in complete darkness, giving you a clear escape when every second matters. These features aren't just clever. They're designed for moments you hope never happen, but will be incredibly grateful for if they do. Most cars are hiding storage space in places you've probably never checked. Under the seats, inside the center console, even beneath floor panels. There are compartments designed to keep valuables out of sight. And this isn't just about convenience. Leaving items visible in your car is one of the most common reasons for break-ins. But when everything is hidden, you reduce that risk instantly. It's one of the simplest ways to protect your belongings without spending a single dollar. Now here's a feature that works quietly in the background, but once you notice it, you can't unsee it. Speed-sensitive volume control. As you drive faster, road noise increases, so your car automatically raises the volume. When you slow down, it lowers it again. No constant adjusting, no distractions. It keeps your focus on the road while maintaining the perfect sound level. It's subtle, but it removes one more small distraction every time you drive. And finally, the #1 feature that changes your daily routine completely. Walk-away auto lock. As soon as your key fob moves out of range, your car locks itself automatically. No second guessing, no turning back to check, no risk of leaving your car unlocked by mistake. It's peace of mind built into your car. Once you activate it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now you've seen how many hidden features your car has probably been keeping from you this whole time. From saving money on repairs to making everyday driving easier and even safer. These small details can make a huge difference once you start using them. So here's what I'm curious about. Which one surprised you the most? And be honest, how many of these did you already know? Drop your answer in the comments. I read all of them. If this helped you avoid even one mistake, hit like and subscribe for more simple tips that save you money and make driving smarter every single day.